Corinne
and Sierra.
Ratchet.
We gotta tell you about these Ratchet Girl. Oh, girl, wait. Do you like my makeup?
Yes, girl.
You know I did it myself. Know the girl. Know the girl. But anyway, anything Ratchet girls trying to be like us, we need to let them know the real Ratchet life. Know us.
Ratchet Nation.
Know the girl. Pound sign. Team Ratchet. Team Ratchet.
Try it again, boo. Ew.
I can't. Why did she come out like that? Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't. Oh my god. Get a car. Get a.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me phone. I'm finna take this half up picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Oh, he ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Cause she ratchet.
Can't stand her. Oh, she too fake.
Cause she ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl.
A baby boy. And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoes, wizard. I had to get it cute today. Apple bottom jeans, fur boots today. Had to keep it looking good because my baby daddy just made bail. Hit the heel shoot today. New baby need new shoes today. Child support check get two today. Got the track yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today?
No, man.
Don't beef it up. Move, get out my way. See if I got my food stamps. Got a brand new piercing, brand new tat. Paid $95 for this week plus tax. Wow.
Anything on when I think song. No head is
Can't along.
thinking that you better than I am.
Well, then you thinking wrong.
Whatever, she a lie.
My number.
Boy,
Bye,
bye.
boy.
Oh.
Wait, here she comes. She comes. Be quiet.
Hey, girl.
You look real cute. You better do it. Do it. Know you. We know you. We see you. You better do it.
Yes.
Why did she do that? Get her, please get her.
OMG, what do she
Get a card.
have on?
Get a card. She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet. Why she do that?
I'm finna take this half up
Please.
picture.
She ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on
Post
Twitter.
it. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
And you know it.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause he ratchet.
Oh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Cause she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake.
My name is Email Willa, but my girlfriend call me Carl.
Hey, Kari. We gang and we party.
Yes, I am the best. You can have it, boo boo.
Sorry.
Change is my future, baby.
Know the girl.
Mom,
Bow.
got my jersey dress on. To the hills, match my press on. Pound
Team dark skin. We don't like them red bones.
Up look
In my picture.
nearing we
Got glitter.
Hit me up on Facebook
And follow me on Twitter. I'm with
Team Chris Brown.
Team Flip Phone. If she don't shut it up,
Then it's Team Shut It Down.
Get smacked.
I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team with your man.
We'll take 'em.
Got a lot of money.
then it's team he paying. What you saying? I mean, what? I mean, why you hating? We might as well, cause you ain't about nothing. You're anything, boo. You're anything. You're anything. Girl, bye. Girl, girl, know us.
You don't do sounds too.
What?
You don't do
You don't
sounds
don't do.
No,
You don't.
don't.
Best friend. Hey,
Yes.
best friend. I missed you, best friend.
Yes.
Please, why is she looking like that? Why is she over here? Why is she all over here? Why you checking for me? Why you checking for me?
Wow.
Yes, this is Mac Boo Boo. We
Yes.
rocks the Mac
We
Boo
be
Boo.
doing the duck flip.
Yeah. No us.
Yo,
No us. CNT woo. CNT. CNT all day. All day.
all day.
What?
Up in the
What?
DMV.
Mind your business. Why you over here? Mind your business.
Corinne.
And Sierra.
Ratchet.
Ratchet. These girls are just anything.
Ratchet.
Anything. Oh no, she didn't.
Try it
She
again,
didn't.
boo.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
Yeah.
I can't get her. Please get her. I can't. Let me put my lip gloss on. Oh my gosh, she can't. I can't.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Oh.
OMG.
She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong.
She ratchet.
Come on, Corinne. Why did you laugh?
No shoes. Where's up? I had to get cute today. Apple bottom jeans for boots today. Baby fuck. Just lay down. Here's shoes today. We gotta stop. Email well up, but my girlfriend called me.
Hey, Kari. Pre-game now we party. Boo, sorry. My future baby daddy. Mari. Jersey just her peso. Come on, Corinne.
Team shut it down.
Get smacked.
I'm with team bad shit.
What?
Team with your man.
We'll take
if he
him.
got a lot of money,
This
then
team
he playing.
New camera phone go zoom.
Click.
New there's room.
Pick.
You already know what the do. Sit my booty on the sink. I'm too trick. Girl, yes, be lying. And again. One more time. We messed up. Again. On the Ratchet Girl Anthem. Once again.
The 5th time.
Number 5. Try again.
Take 6.
A boo. Again. Boo boo.